Ebele, I like you. A lot. I like you so much. Please, give me a chance now.
This is a man who is prepared to go all out, right to the end of the world, just because of you.
Akpan is a womanizer. He has slept with all the women in this village. And he's not tired though.
I am the center of attraction. Every man's dream. And a low life like you can never measure shoulders with me.
You see that girl? I want to make her my second wife.
Are you saying that I should fall for a character like Emigwe? A fool that knows nothing but to extort and oppress his people?
Trying to stop Emigwe and his gang can only bring insecurity to this land.
I pay my tax to the government and not to touts like you.
And here in Elna, I am the government.
Of all the young women in this village, why would he remember me? Why would he choose me?
It seems the king and his councilmen have all been bribed.
Are you aware you are playing with thunder? And that when it strikes, it is going to break you into smithereens. See?
Get it! Try me one more time, baby, and I assure you that I will run you out of your own town.
You are very stupid to say that.
You have occupied my entire thought process. I cannot even go a day without wanting to hear from you or see you.
You see that woman? That is very. She is my woman. She's actually the one that have already decided to make my queen when I become the king of this land. Stay away from that woman.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.